The first email was not from Taiwan. The first report came from Wuhan, from China itself. Taiwan didn't report any human-to-human transmission. This has to be clear.
Beaucoup, Marie, pour cette question. So, quick translation of that. Marie is asking about an email that has been sent by Taiwanese health officials to WHO on 31st December. So the question was when this email arrived, when we had the first announcement by Chinese authorities of cases of unknown pneumonia, and how do we answer to claims that WHO was not acting on warning from Taiwan. Thank you.
So we would obviously like to thank our colleagues in Taiwan for having shared an interesting report, for which we were receiving similar reports from other sources. At no point in the process of communication in this email that's been received was there any reference to human-to-human transmission or any other issue. It was purely requesting relevant information and thanking us in advance for our attention to the matter. So I hope that clears up that confusion.
I think Mike answered it very well, but I just wanted to summarize. In its email on 31st December, one thing that has to be clear is the first email was not from Taiwan. Many other countries have already were asking for clarification. The first report came from Wuhan, from China itself. So Taiwan was only asking for clarification. Some people were claiming Taiwan didn't report any human-to-human transmission. This has to be clear. They were asking for clarification like any other entity who wanted clarification. So we didn't receive the existence of human-to-human transmission from Taiwan on December 31. We have all the documentations. The email we received from Taiwan is to get more clarification on the issue based on China's report. So the report first came from China. That's number one fact, from Wuhan itself. Second, the email from Taiwan, like other entities, was to ask for clarification, nothing else.